It's a very large box for, I don't know what's inside. We have the Castle Quest. That is very important. The crown always gets lost. And there we have it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to assemble it. So after quick inspection, Thomas is not working. Thomas is broken. That's okay. We just finished assemble. It's not exactly as in the instructions. So what I did is I added a couple of tracks so I could fit on oval shape on my table. Otherwise it will, I do not have enough room. But anyways, and what I hate is this part does not always set right when I try it. But anyways, everything else works fine. Also the crown does not fall right here on, because it goes right there, does not fall in the car. I don't think because I'm using a different engine, it's the same length, or maybe. So here's the problem. I don't like this. See, I don't know what's going on with this thing. It's horrible. Look. Other than that, it's okay. But if you are careful, it will sit in place. I don't know how I did it before. Ah, come on. See? Even with technical problems I am showing you, the problem with this set. I think something wrong with this. Is there springs here? I don't know. But I think it's okay. I don't remember if I paid $15 or $5. I don't remember. But it's okay. Come on, come on, come on. So there goes our custom. Okay, it just stopped. Our custom salty. I am not doing a proper review. I'm just unboxing and trying to set up this set that I got long time ago delivered. But anyways, let me know in the comments, because I don't know how to. I never done or fixing this thing. I don't know if is it broken. I think it's broken or something. Anyways.